Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Whiteboard Wealth. Now in today's video, what we're going to be talking about is a cryptocurrency that we're very bullish on. We've done many videos on previously, and that is called the Ampleforth Governance token. Now, if this is your first time here, make sure to like, make sure to subscribe with post notifications turned on, and let's get into today's video. So now, if you don't know exactly what is Ampleforth is like it's Ample. It's Ample's governance token, whereby persons can use this to vote and make changes to, how it runs, etc. But here is official definition. Forth is Ampleforth's governance token, aims to bring full decentralization of protocol by working with ampl. Forth is second official token of Ampleforth's ecosystem, as this token will be important for deciding future of protocol, as every Forth holder will participate in voting for future development and other decisions. Ampleforth blockchain project that building DeFi services, as it nominates set of smart contracts for DeFi services. Forth will be completing the Ampleforth ecosystem by giving full control to the community. Now, Forth holders will become half of the ecosystem that gives 50-50 control to the AMPL plus Forth holders, as of writing over 5 billion worth on chain volume locked on different exchanges, including Uniswap, SushiSwap, and DEX. So let's go over the price live data for the last 24 hours. So Forth price live data for the last 24 hours. The Ampleforth governance token price today, it's currently $35.08, $35.13. We saw that big jump with a 24-hour trading volume of 54 million, and the market cap is currently 226 million. It has a total supply of 15 million, a max supply of 15 million, but currently a total supply of $14,998,000. So in terms of where you'd like to buy these Ampleforth governance token, the top exchanges for this Ampleforth governance token are Binance, Wobi Global, OKEX, Coinbase, and MXC.com. In terms of predictions or where we see Ampleforth going, it seems Ampleforth will be actually going some places. So let me give you the price analysis. So Coinbase announces the listing of Forth token, as tokens start at $54.44 USD price, as it later dropped to $21.85 USD. Ampleforth governance token yet to be fully claimed by users. As of writing, it is trading at $47, but currently it's $35.13, as we saw just now. Average price with a report of $300 million volume. Forth also listed on Wobi Global, Bilaxi, and Uniswap platform, and just like Ample token, it could be listed on Binance. It's already listed on Binance, KuCoin, and other top trading platforms. Further listing will help to create a bullish sentiment in the price, probably in about 1 to 2 months. So let me go ahead and go into some news that I've been seeing about Ampleforth, because I've actually been following this token for a very long time. And when I get into the news here, it's saying that the Internet Computer ICP will be launching on Coinbase Pro and supported by Coinbase Custody. Updated Sunday, May 9th, ICP is launching on Coinbase Pro. On Monday, May 10th, transfer ICP, blah, 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 blah. You can probably pause the video and read this, but let me go down to the important part, I should say. One of the most common requests we receive from customers is to be able to trade more assets on our platform. For the terms of our listing processing, we anticipate supporting more assets that meet our standards over time. Most recently, we have added trading support for Tether, USD, USDT, Ampleforth Goverance token, Fort, 1 inch, and a lot of other cryptocurrencies. But you can see Ampleforth now, you can hear them giving recognition. You can hear them giving recognition, meaning they're saying, they're saying that one of the most important requests we have received from customers is to be able to trade more assets on our platform. Per terms of our listing processes, we anticipate supporting more assets that meet our standards over time. So they're clearly saying that Ampleforth Goverance token meets their standards. So if you've been sleeping on this token, I really think it's time to no longer sleep. It is really time to no longer sleep, but it is time to wake up and don't sleep anymore on this Ampleforth Goverance token, because as we said, Ampleforth is about to do great things. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to get into the price predictions. Great. So yes, great. So now about the predictions. Our predictions hasn't really changed based on what we've been seeing when it comes to the Ampleforth Goverance token, because what we will be predicting for the lowest price for Ampleforth in the future, the lowest price for Ampleforth in the future, it would probably be $46.72. The highest price for Ampleforth Goverance token in the future, we're still estimating that would be approximately around $172 in about a year's time. That is going to be the minimum that we're projecting it's going to be at, and it's going to be at the highest $172 based on how much recognition it's about to get, and the more that persons come into it, it seems like it's going higher. Based on how it's been fluctuating for a while, it seems Ampleforth is going higher. And will Ampleforth Goverance token price increase in the future? Yes, Ampleforth Goverance token price will increase in the future based on our predicted data. Investment in Ampleforth token is profitable or loss making. Currently, it is profitable. It is a profitable investment based on our forecasting. Whether the price of Ampleforth Goverance token will be downward in the future, we don't really see it going down, or we don't see it going down in the future anytime soon. So if you're looking to get into Ampleforth, I'm telling you this is the time, because I'm telling you this is the time. This is the time to get into it, because why not? Why not invest? But always, as I always say, we are not financial advisors. You should still do your little research before you go ahead and jump into this. So guys, make sure to leave a comment below, because every comment is important, and we do read and look at every single comment and reply to them. So if you have any input that you'd like to add, make sure to leave them in the comment section below, because we value every input. Guys, make sure to like, make sure to subscribe. I hope you did enjoy this video. I'm going to do better videos, not better videos, but I'm going to do more videos like this, because I didn't involve Ryan today, but that's fine. I'll probably involve him in the other videos. So I hope you guys did enjoy today's video, and have a great day cryptoing. Whiteboard Wealth signing out, and I'll see you tomorrow when I bring forth another update about Ampleforth Goverance token, or during the day if anything big happens with Ampleforth. So guys, see you. Keep cryptoing.